beginner start here ama-opportunities vele okuba long le market le. So lana ngimakhe i-IFVG nizongibona ngi-refine la ne. So ngizobheka ukuthi i-market yenzani before ngi-execute, ingakho ngifake this tool ne, and I'll connect i-paper trading fairly manje lana. This is paper trading, guys. Why paper trader? It's because I'm practicing this skill angisho until I feel like ready, then I'll be trading live with you guys. So lana nizobona angeke ngi-execute on this one because angakayiboni lento engifuna ukuyibona ne, but ngiyabheka ukuthi market react kanjani. Nizongibona ngimove from time frame to time frame because I'm using one device, so angikhoni ukubona multiple charts ngesikhathi esiyi-one ne. Then lana ngiku 5 minutes bengibheka ukuthi i-market react kanjani. Is it reacting to what i-1 minute chart is doing fair? Niyabona lana. Okay, ngibone if a value gap created, then I saw an opportunity ukuthi i-price might not go up as ngicabanga ne. So lana the price was trying to play with my mind a little ne, but the overall direction of the day was bullish ne. Keep that in mind, the overall direction of the day was bullish. So I saw this, then I went to a higher time frame to check ukuthi if market yasela ingayaphi ne, mangabe yasela ingayaphi. Then 30 minutes, that's what I saw. If yasela ingaya lapha yana. Then daily bengibheka, okay, so this we call it a top down analysis. Then 4 hour we have this fair value gap lena, so market ingaya kuyo then go up there ne. Then siyabuyela futhi phansi siyabheka ku 1 hour, anything, there's nothing go 1 hour. Then ngizoya ku 5 minutes chart and see if price is sahamba green. Then 1 minute I saw this fair value gap ne. The fair value gap le I was sure ukuthi ingayisa phansi iyise kuleya fair value gap le yaku 4 hours, sorry. Then stop loss sami sizoba sincane because I didn't want to lose much because ngiyazi overall direction of the day is bullish, but I'll take this trade because ngicabanga lento le ukuthi i-price ngaya lapha kuleya fair value le ku 4 hour before iya phezulu. So you'll see I took a loss on that trade. Then immediately I went back to my original setup network. So that's a 5 minutes IFVG. This is a 1 minute IFVG. This is a second confirmation with okay, we are continuing going up. So I executed 2 lot size, I think. Okay, I'm moving around from time frame to time frame to see ukuthi kuyenzakalani on the other time frames ne. Keep that in mind because I'm using only one device, that's why I'm moving around from time frame to time frame. So nayibona again na move. Okay, immediately after price ithatha high, one thing I do is move my stop loss to a better position, like a position la minimize a risk yam. That's what I'm trying to say. Minimize a risk yam, immediately my tata in liquidity. So you'll see me mark high buy side liquidity na tata le buy side, then minimize a stop loss sum. Ngiyenzela ukuthi mangabe i-price iyajika anytime ne ingangikhiphi with a larger loss because ngibonile ukuthi iyele yasweepa in i-high. So every time market may sweep high, react in the opposite direction. So here I was checking ukuthi daily, is it does it have any liquidity? So nayibona leya high layer. So the way impulsive ngakhona ingaya nalaphaya. So this is a buy side liquidity lengimakile laphaya. Price must be heading for that one. Then we have the order block. This is the order block. Price will izodlalela la kule order block lena nale fair value gap lela phezulu, but I didn't mark it. Mangayibheka lapha ku 1928 level ne fair value gap, sorry. So price is going to play in that range for a while. So ningayibheka. So the price thing which will in the man ubheke ukuthi yenzani price. So this thing happened in a course of like an hour. Yeah, in a course of an hour. So this video is compressed ukuthi ibe faster. Mongabheka la ngifake khona stop loss sum. So it is a wrong position to place a stop loss. I was supposed to put it like below the wick lale candlestick leli red ne. Yabona la ijike khona, so I was confident mangiceda ukubona leyo nto leyo ukuthi yo ijikela. So I didn't move it, but I was wrong not to move it because price came back after sweeping a buy side liquidity like straight to take me out. Nala I didn't respect my rule of not moving my stop loss to break even because it better sweeper a liquidity, so I was supposed to move my stop to break even. So the market here will take me out with the second loss. Yeah, the second loss on this day. But because I have a rule of taking only 3 trades a day, so this was the last trade for the day. I knew with market here buy, and you can see with an impulsive move, and sine IFVG but anzanga markers ne nine lang bigger corner line. There's an IFVG here, so price was going to react on Leo IFVG, hence nizongbona executor. Yeah, nine. So this is a indication ukuthi siyaphezulu fail. Move. Okay, the video mangiyenza being a video, hence I'm doing this. Okay, we have that fair value gap. So layer fair value gap is the one that I'm going to use to enter this long position. This is an indication which siyaqhubeka siyaphezulu, niyabona nje uyaphezulu. So now create a fair value gap. So this is me executing now. That's the first trade. Modify my stop loss, then targeting the Asia New York session high, sorry. Then gonna fair value gap below, so I'm pyramiding my entry here, as you can see. Target here, my overall target is the Asia session high. So every time in market sweeper high senzani, we move our stop loss. We minimize our stop loss. Okay, now target here, I'm targeting the previous session's high, London session. Then ngizopyramida the third one because the price base asegule ya fair value gap level ngimakile lapha ku 1 minute chart. Niyayibona fair. Okay, so now ke i-target yami, which is 266 USD. So this was going to be how I made 200 USD. Yeah, angazi why ngikhuluma isilungu kangaka kule video, kodwa nakho ke. Okay, so le ngizoyimarka manje into engathiwa yini order block ne. I-order block bathini is i-change in a state of delivery. Mangaba niyazi ukuthi yini definition yakhona, that's the definition of the order block. Immediately price method to break liquidity, we move the stop loss, we minimize our stop loss. The trade le be fast ngalendlela le guys, so we see it short up. Literally, I think previous days or something. Maybe impulsive. Okay, so I was looking at other time frames with the irons and you can see me moving stop loss into profit because of the impulsive move ehamba ngayo market currently. Now if you look at bullish fair value gap pricing, I respect the fair value gap. So into ebhekayo vele muscle continuation, this was a continuation trade. You just check for ama fair value gaps lawa azokugibelisa, like ama steppies azokugibelisa a price towards where you are going. So here I was just looking at something. I don't know, but then so be impulsive very price. So manga check out the time frame is ne, it's 6:30. Ngiqale around about 6 ne, and then my phela le session le izophela I think be close to an hour. So this trade took close to an hour, like 40 something 50 minutes. So now price retracing to the fair value gap leaving market below. Now when fair value gap, like it's iyaspana guys. Ngazwa inibhaya ama signal kamele nekubhaya ama signal nizifundele leli, because it's easier to do this shit once you practice it enough. It's not easy, but it's easy once you practice it enough. But I'm not preaching easy here guys. Ngithatha isikhathi ukuthi nami ngikhona ukwenza into ezikayo. Okay, so now a second presented fair value gap. Price might be moving from yona bebathabo abozbanibani, but it's magic what that area there. So that's a fair value gap guys. Price come back to fair value gap to make a price ibe fair. Why they call it a fair value gap? It's because the price at that specific gap is not fair at all. So a price will come back to that area to make that price ibe fair. Meaning that let's say we bullish fair value gap. If bullish fair value gap is one, it will be impulsive move up. Leo impulsive move up kuzobe kuwama bullish guys kuphela at all. So ama bearish guys azoba ngekho kuleyo gap le. So if price izofuna ukufaka ama bearish guys lapho because it was too bullish at all, and unfair market mangabe too bullish at all. Mangabe kunama buyers amaningi kusho ukuthi akunayo ama sellers, akunama sellers azokhona ukufila lama buyers lawo. Nizongibona la, I will close this trade before take profit because I was content with what I made. So bullish injalo or bearish, it's when like there are too many bears than ama buyers at all. So price would want to come back and fill leyo ndawo leyo ngama buyers because it was too bearish. Then to make it efficient, basho kanjalo ngesilungu, izoba efficient at all, iba fair, my efficient, hence bathi fair value gap. Ila senza khona ukuthi i-value ye-price ibe fair. Sizulu sisho njalo. So that was the trade guys. Aware.